The WOR extension identifies a MapInfo Workspace file containing saved map views, layer configurations, and window arrangements for MapInfo Pro GIS software. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open, edit, or troubleshoot these GIS Workspace files. For those complex WOR formats, there's always a plan B, a specialized file handling utility that feels like magic. I'll introduce it again later after we attempt the common methods. WOR files are workspace files for MapInfo Pro, a desktop GIS application storing saved map window configurations, including layer visibility settings, symbology definitions, label rules, and window arrangements. They restore the complete mapping environment when opened. MapInfo WOR files use a plain text MapBasic script format containing open table set map and other commands that reconstruct the workspace state. They reference tab table files by path and define layer ordering, symbology overrides, and map window properties. An essential utility for interacting with WOR is recognized as MapInfo Pro by Precisely. Windows cannot validate changes to the file structure, demanding dedicated software for integrity. Windows offers only basic viewing, so tools or documentation are needed to interpret them correctly. Go to your file and right-click the WOR file, choosing Open With. If MapInfo Pro is an option, select it immediately. If it's unavailable, choose another. We need to test the file against all compatible programs. If you still cannot open your WOR file, that is okay. The refusal of the file to open is likely not complex. It's one of the top 3 basic reasons. I'll give you a simple 3-point checklist of common causes and the immediate fix for each. First, opening the workspace. Install MapInfo Pro and open the WOR file via File, then open Workspace. MapInfo executes the Workspace commands and restores all map windows with configured layers, symbology, and view settings. Ensure all referenced tab data files are accessible at their stored paths. Next, editing the workspace. Open the WOR file in a text editor to view and modify the MapBasic commands. Update file paths if data has moved. Modify layer visibility, symbology settings, and window positions directly in the text. Save changes and reopen in MapInfo to apply modifications. Finally, troubleshooting missing data. If MapInfo reports missing tables when opening a WOR file, the referenced tab files have been moved or deleted. Edit the WOR file in a text editor and update the file paths in open table statements to point to the current data locations. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. When even advanced utilities can't handle the file, the architecture requires a universal reader. FileMagic is the only tool I trust for this level of format variety. Download it at filemagic.com. That was the final fix. If you love fast answers, please give this video a quick like.